the blood red sky. Mothers cry while the children hide. Soldiers marching to the dust again. Another youth lost to the madness of men. Politicians talking from ivory towers, trading rhymes just to hold their power. But the people in the streets still pray for a brighter and more peaceful day. I hear the drums of freedom calling, hear the wicked empire falling. No more chains, no more scars, no more fighting, endless wars. No more war, no more pain. Let the sunshine wash the rain. Put the weapons on the ground. Let love and unity be found. No more fear in the night. Every nation stand for right. From the mountains to the shore, the people crying. No more war. Refugees crossing the borderlines, carrying memories they leave behind. Broken homes and shattered dreams, nothing ever what it seems. Children deserve a chance to grow, not to learn what a rifle knows. Teach them songs instead of hate, before it becomes too late. I hear the drums of justice beating, hear the hearts of people meeting. One humanity under the stars. No more fighting bloody wars. No more war, no more pain. Let the sunshine wash the rain. Put the weapons on the ground. Let love and unity be found. No more fear in the night. Every nation stand for right. From the mountains to the shore, the people crying. No more war. One love can heal the nation. Peace is the true salvation. The rich and poor all bleed the same. Why we playing this deadly game? Raise your hands and light the flame. Peace and freedom in your name. Hear the voices loud once more, singing together. No more war. No more war, no more tears. We've been fighting for too many years. Let the children